Factorize. Example, p to the power of 4 minus 81. Answer, p to the power of 4 minus 81, we have to write it as 3 to the power of 4. Multiply 3 4 times, we get 81. Again here, p square whole square, 2 to the 4, minus 3 square whole square, 2 to the 4. Here we use a square minus b square formula is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here a is equal to p square and b value is 3 square. Therefore this equal to a plus b. A plus b, b is 3 square. A minus b, a is p square minus b is 3 square. This equal to p square plus 3 square is 9. Here again use this formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. A is p here, a plus b, a minus b, p minus 3 is answer.